Hello friends, you are welcome in the class of Geography. Our FYBSc Geography course includes the study of 3 subjects. Paper 1 includes the Introduction to Physical Geography 1, which is also called as Geomorphology. It has 2 credits. Paper 2 is the Introduction to Physical Geography 2, that is also called as Geography of Atmosphere and Hydrosphere. It is also for 2 credits. And paper number 3 is the Practical Work in Physical Geography. It is for 1.5 credit. So there are 3 subjects which we are going to study in Geography. Friends, before going to introduce with the syllabus of physical geography, first of all we should know what is the meaning of geography. The word geography has been derived from 2 Greek words, that is geo, which means the earth, and graphy, meaning a descriptive science. And therefore geography can be defined as it is the study of the earth on which we are living. The earth is surrounded by the land. It is surrounded by the water. Our earth is enveloped by a gaseous layer, that is air, and different types of living things in the form of different types of plants, animals, and microorganisms. They are also found on the earth. And therefore geography can be defined as it is the study of the land, the water, air, and living things which are present on the earth, which is also called as lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. So in short, geography is the study of lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. It can be defined also as it is the science that deals with the description, distribution, and interaction of diverse physical, biological, and cultural features of the Earth's surface. Friends, we should know why should we study geography? What are the reasons for the study of geography? So first reason why should we study geography, that is to learn the location of the places on the earth. Another reason is to understand the basic physical systems which are present on the earth or around the earth. Third important reason to study geography is to understand the human and physical systems. Fourth reason to study geography is to know the earth as a homeland of humankind. And fifth reason to study geography is to understand the global interdependence. So these are the reasons of the study of geography. Now, as we know that the content of geography is very vast. It includes the study of lithosphere, that is the land, hydrosphere, that is the water, atmosphere, that is the gaseous envelope that surrounds the earth, and also biosphere, that is the different types of plants, animals, and microorganisms present on the earth. Not only this, it also inquires the interrelationships and interdependence and different types of processes which are formed due to interactions of all these 4 spheres, and therefore the content of geography is very vast, and therefore it is broadly divided into 2 branches. Branch number 1 is physical geography. Physical geography is the study of Earth's landforms, soil, streams, seasons, climate, atmosphere, and oceans. And branch number 2 is human geography. human geography deals with the study of the distribution of networks of people and cultures on the Earth's surface. So these are two important branches of geography. Then we'll see our syllabus. We'll get introduced with the syllabus of physical geography. There are some objectives which are kept in front of us to study physical geography. They are to introduce the students to the basic concepts in geomorphology, to acquaint the students with the utility and applications of geomorphology in different areas and environment, and to make the students aware of the need of protection and conservation of different. We should also get introduced with the geomorphology, because the subtitle of our subject is geomorphology. Geo means the earth and morphe means the form and logos means study, and therefore the scientific study of the origin and evolution of topographic and bathymetric features on the earth's surface is geomorphology. So geomorphology is the study of different types of landforms which are present on the earth. So landforms which are present on the land are called as topographic features, and landforms which are present on the ocean floor are called as bathymetric features. So study of all these topographic and bathymetric features on the earth is called as geomorphology. So geomorphology is the study of landforms, their processes, forms and sediments at the surface of the earth. Geomorphology is the study of the processes that have shaped the earth's surface. So in short, geomorphology is the study of all micro and macro features which are present on the earth. For example, it is also the study of mountains, plateaus and plains, as well as it is also the study of waterfalls, how these waterfalls are come into existence, river valleys, sand dunes which are present on the desert, U-shaped valleys which are present in the cold climatic region. So it is the study of big landforms such as mountains, valleys or plains or plateaus, and it also includes the study of small landforms such as waterfall or V-shaped valley, gorge, sand dunes, mushroom rocks and so on. The first topic in our syllabus is Introduction of Geomorphology. So in this topic we are going to introduce with the physical geography, and also we will study what are different branches of physical geography. The second subtopic is the definition of geomorphology, the nature and scope of geomorphology. After that, we'll see the components of Earth system. After that, we'll see the study of geological time scale. So, in the first topic, we'll get introduced with the geomorphology. Now, in this we are going to study about the definition, nature and scope of geomorphology. Now, some of the definitions of geomorphology we have already discussed. Then, what is nature of geomorphology? Nature means the special characteristics of the subject. So, what are the special characteristics of geomorphology that we are going to study? After that, we'll see what is the scope of geomorphology. Scope of geomorphology includes the content of the subject, as well as is also includes the importance of this subject. After that, we'll see the components of Earth system. So components of Earth system includes the study of different processes which are present on the Earth due to the interaction of sun, water, land and biosphere. And then we'll also deal with the study of geological time scale. So geological time scale, that is the measurement of different types of periods right from the formation of the Earth till today. And after that, we'll also see applied geomorphology. So what are the applications or the use of geomorphology in different fields that we are going to. The second topic of our syllabus is the Earth system. It includes the study of interior of the Earth based on seismic evidences. Friends, we know that the temperature in the interior of the Earth goes on increasing, the pressure is equally high, and therefore it is quite difficult to study what is there in the interior of the Earth. So based on the earthquake waves, that is seismic waves, we know what lies in the interior of the Earth. So the first subtopic of second topic is interior of the Earth. Then we are going to study about the theory of isostasy. After that, we'll see Wegener's continental drift theory. So friends, we know that there are different continents which are present on the Earth, but according to Alfred Wegener, these continents which are present today at their specific locations were in the ancient period, these continents were not present. There were only one megacontinent present on the Earth, which was splitted into two continents, and further disintegration of the continents takes place the present situation of the continents. So that is the theory given by Alfred Wegener. This theory is known as Wegener's continental drift theory. So we are going to study that theory, the principles and the evidences given by Alfred Wegener in support of his theory. After that, we'll see the crustal movement. So friends, we know that our surface of the Earth is stable, but actually various movements are constantly going on the surface of the Earth. They are called as crustal movement. There are two different types of crustal movements. They are folding and faulting. So what is folding, what is faulting, and what are their effects on the surface of the Earth, that we are going to study. After that, we'll see the theory of plate tectonics. All these continental landmasses present on the Earth, they are called as plates, and the movement found in the Earth's surface, that is called as plate tectonics. So in this we are going to study about the theory of plate tectonic. Friends, the lithosphere is the rigid outermost shell of a planet which is made up of number of tectonic plates. The Earth crust is composed of 7 or 8 major pieces. They are known as plates. There are 7 major plates and several minor plates. So the movements taking place in these plates, that is called as theory of plate tectonics. Therefore, different types of landforms are also come into existence on the earth. So that also we are going to study. We will also see different plates which are present on the earth, their boundaries and associated landforms. After that, we will see the causes, types and consequences of earthquakes. Earthquakes are the tremors produced to the surface of the earth. So what are the reasons behind the formation of the earthquakes and what are the causes of earthquakes on the earth? That we will see. We will also see what is volcano, why volcanic eruptions took place on the surface of the earth and what are the effects of volcano on the earth's surface. The fourth topic of our syllabus is geomorphic processes. Under this topic, first of all, we'll see the types of the rocks and minerals. What is the meaning, differences and classification of the rocks? So, in this topic, we will see what is a rock, what are the causes behind the formation of rocks, how the rock formation took place, what are different characteristics of rocks, and what is the basic difference between rocks and minerals. So that we are going to study. After that, we'll see a topic called as weathering. Weathering means the disintegration and breaking up of the rock. So it is a fundamental process behind the formation of different types of landforms. Due to weathering, different types of landforms take place on the earth's surface and the present landforms get modified due to the weathering, and therefore in geomorphology weathering is a very fundamental process. So we are going to study about weathering, definition of weathering and the types of weathering. So there are three types of weathering: mechanical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. So we are going to study about the types of weathering. After that, we'll see mass movement. So what is the meaning of mass movement and what are the types of mass movement? Friends, you must have heard about landslides or rockfall. This is the type of mass movement. Mass movement is the bulk movements of soil and rock particles or blocks down slopes due to gravity. Mass movement can occur due to a variety of reasons. So we will see what are the reasons of mass movement and what are different types of mass movement. The fourth subtopic which we are going to study is fluvial cycle of erosion. This is a very basic theory about the cyclic form of erosion present on the earth's surface. This theory is given by W.M. Davis. So we are going to study the principles of fluvial cycle of erosion. So friends, this is the syllabus of our course Physical Geography, and for the study of all these topics you can refer different types of books. So the list of books is given here. So we will see the first topic of our subject in the next lecture.